Hi, do you want to know how we have put together our content on Foundational Literacy and Numeracy? Watch this video. Step 1. We look at the 3 developmental goals as identified in the NCF document and as per Nipun Bharat guidelines. Step 2 is we break down these 3 developmental goals into 13 competencies which we believe a child should have as he or she is entering into grade 1. Step 3 is we further divide these 13 competencies into 57 learning objectives and then club them into 3 age groups: 3 to 4 years, 4 to 5 years and 5 to 6 years. And the next step is to punch these learning outcomes into different subjects like mathematics, EVS or science, social emotional skills, health and physical aspect of a child. The last step is of course to create the content. The entire content has been created to supplement the efforts of our Anganwadi workers in the early age learning centers. The content exists in both Hindi and English medium and is delivered via the iPrep application, which works seamlessly on tablets, mobile, interactive flat panel and the affordable smart TVs. If you would like to collaborate with us and support your on-ground efforts, please talk to us.